Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing. Yay! And I took a little clip of this and I'll insert it now. So odd. It's like a sea of curly fries, except it's packing. About this packing, but this is the most interesting packing that I've ever seen. It is literal curly, like little curly cues. This is how they're, I mean, it's just a lot of, here's a big old wad of it. I think, isn't that just the cutest little thing? Oh, I'm going to save this because I know my grandbabies will have a field day putting this in and just playing with it. So, for now, good gracious sakes, it's a lot of it. So, this is from the Boxy Charm shop, and they had the 2 base box mystery boxes for $40. Then they had the Ace Beauty eye primer. I think it was maybe 4, and then the Beauty Bakerie eggs, sponges. They look like eggs for, I think it was either $4 or $6. It was super duper cheap. And these, I got one time in Boxy years ago, and I enjoyed them. And then I gave my stepkid a pack of them one time, and I still have some. They're individually wrapped inside of this, so I could, there's 6 of them, I believe. So I could put, 6 potential, gifts, so to speak. Or I could give the whole thing away. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I don't need them, but I got them because they were $4, and these things at Target are in excess of 20, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, and the Ace Beauty, the primer, the eye primer, I already have this, and I have it in light, and the only shade available in this one was medium. Yeah, in medium. So, and I do enjoy this base. I actually had that. The eye primer, I actually had it in my group of things that I was going to have for giveaways. And Andy from Andy Does Stuff, she used it a lot. And I was like, I think I have that. So anyway, I started using it, and I was like, oh, yeah, I really like this. These are very heavy, I will say that. So let's open this box first. And the scissors. Alrighty, we got them opened. So, here we go. Let's see. This box just says BoxyCharm, And what do we have? The first thing is something from Ilia. It is a Color Block High Impact Lipstick in the shade Amber Light. And looks like that. And the shade looks like that. It's a very pretty shade. I'm not going to swatch it. I don't have an Ilia lipstick, but I have lipsticks that color, so I'm going to put this to the side. Then we have an Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It's a pretty big bottle, pretty big tube of that. I have used this brand. I think I have actually gotten this before. And what else do we have? The Touch and Soul Glassy Pretty Filter Skin Balm, which is right there. I do own this. So we'll put this to the side too. And the last two things in here, this is some sort of lip oil right there. I initially thought it was a Juicy Tubes from Lancome, because that's exactly what it looks like. And then the last thing is this Beauty Bakerie Palette, the Breakfast in Bed palette, and it looks like this. And I'm not going to touch this. These are not tones that I would particularly wear. The very cool tone heavy palette, but I don't have it, and I may put it in a giveaway. But this is a pretty nice box, you know. Got some little bit of makeup, little skincare. Let's look at the prices on these. So the Beauty Bakerie Palette is $38. The Touch and Soul Skin Balm was $32. The Ilia Color Block High Impact Lipstick, which was this one, is $28. The hand cream is $36. And the INT Cosmetics Lip Oil is $11. So, you know, it's a pretty good box. Let's see about the next one. And this one is, the box is a little bit higher. So let's see what's in this one. And, well, there's that. So I'm going to put that over there. And does this one have a themed card? It does. This is a BoxyCharm Harvest. And there is a Natasha Denona 25% off coupon. So the code is NDXBoxy for 25% off. So I'm assuming there's something Natasha Denona in here. Alrighty. Well, this is the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So there's some skincare. And then we have the Natasha Denona palette. And this is the Peak palette right here. I do own this palette. I do enjoy this palette very much. I've actually, I think I've had 4 of these since Boxy came out with these. I kept one. They kept putting them in boxes, and I was gifting them out. So there's another one that I'll probably put in a giveaway, or I may keep it and gift it. I don't know. So what else do we have in here? I see something from Milk Makeup. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. All right. Finally, something I'm super duper excited about, because I don't have this, and I have been wanting to try this, and it is waterproof. And then we have another lip oil. Then we have this PCRO Primero Primer. Oh, Alamar Cosmetics. I see the A. This is their pigment base. It looks like that. It's a pretty small tube, actually, compared to, well, I'll pull out. There's the NYX compared to the NYX, and then that's it compared to the Ace Beauté. So, but I look forward to trying that. And it looks like there's a palette in here. Which is the Queen by Eloise. And I do not have this palette. I have seen it on other people, but I do not have it. Oh, that's really pretty. These are some pretty colors. I think one of this. Okay. In the mirror, it looks like this shade has been swatched. Just looking at it through the mirror, but when I look at it straight on, it doesn't. Well, yeah, it does a little bit. But I don't think it was swatched. Maybe it was just where the shadow cover rubbed it. That's really pretty. A lot of really pretty tones in that. So, I can't wait to play with that. So, it's a very pretty palette. So, super excited. And let's see what the little card says. So, the Natasha Denona Peak palette was $48. The Volition Beauty Snow Mushroom Water Serum was $62. The mascara was $24. The lip oil was $11. The Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow primer was $15. So this is a pretty good box. I'm not disappointed, that this cost $40. I got, let's see, 2 palettes, 3. I got 3 palettes. 2 of them from very expensive brands. I don't know. Well, I know what the box says about the price of this, but, this is a Natasha Denona palette. Then we've got the Beauty Bakerie. We've got Milk Makeup. They're super expensive. Bougie. Touch and Soul is. The Ilia is. So, I've got some variety of things. So, I'm looking forward to trying some of this stuff out for you guys. But I will get together what I'm going to put in a giveaway. Some of this will go into my 200 subscriber giveaway. And that will TBD soon. So, thank you guys for hanging out with me for a little while I did this little unboxing, and I will see you in the next video.